Hello friends, today we will start learning addition and takeaway of fractions. So first let's see the parts of fraction. Now when it is written like 3 divided by 4, this 3 is called numerator. The upper part is called numerator. The line in between 3 and 4 is called dividing line, and the bottom number is called denominator. So D for down, D denominator, you can keep in mind. The bottom one is called denominator and the top one is numerator. We will start learning addition and takeaway from an easy one and then take up the hard ones as well. Some fractions are called like fractions, and they are fractions with same denominators. If we are given two fractions and their denominator is same, they are called like fractions. For example, you can see it's 1 divided by 5, 2 divided by 5, 3 divided by 5. All these three are like fractions. They have same denominator, same number as denominator. And for a like fractions, it is easy to add them and it is easy to take away. That's why we have started with this one. Okay, and the rule is for like fractions, what we do, we take the denominator once in our calculation and add or take away the numerators. It is easy. We just take the denominator which is common and same in both fractions and simply add. If it is an addition problem, simply add the denominators, not the denominators, the numerators. And if it is a takeaway problem, we take away numerators. So let's, for example, we take these two fractions, 1 divided by 5 and 2 divided by 5, and we want to add these two fractions. So what we will do, the denominator is common in this case, same 5 already. We take 5 once and simply add the numerators, 1 add 2, and write down the final answer in the third step. So this is the way how we add fractions when they have same denominator. So 1 add 2, 3 and divided by 5, which was the denominator. So this is our final answer. Let's take another example. Here we have 1 divided by 7 and we want to add it to another fraction which is 3 divided by 7. Now you can see immediately the denominators, the bottom number is same, common. So we took 7 once, and because we want to add them, we will add the numerators. 1 add 3. So we add them up and write the final step in our calculation. 1 add 3 is 4 divided by 7. So it's easy when the denominator is same. Let's take an example of this takeaway problem. It is same rule. We can see the denominator is same for both fractions. This is a takeaway problem, subtraction problem. So we will take the denominator first, which is 3, and take away the numerators. The bigger numerator is first, 2 take away 1. So 2 take away 1 is equal to 1, and the answer fraction is 1 divided by 3. Simple. Let's take another example. Another fraction, 5 divided by 7, and we have to take away 4 divided by 7 from it. Immediately we know the denominators are same, that's why it is going to be very easy. We take 7 ones as a common denominator, take the numerators and take them away. 5 take away 4, so 5 take away 4 is 1, and the denominator is 7. So the answer fraction is 1 divided by 7. So please do some practice for these easy ones like fractions, and we will meet with the next level of fractions in the next video. So good luck and thank you for watching.